Hi everyone and welcome back or to my channel. Today I'm going to be randomizing all of my singles that I currently use. I do have some singles that are like in a magnetic palette that I don't really want to use, or they're just there until I can figure out what to do with them. So these are all the ones that are in my rotation. So what I'm going to be doing today is doing like a palette bingo, but with all of my singles. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this challenge. Alright, so I have a total of 70 eyeshadows currently in my rotation. I have them all organized like a rainbow. So this is the first palette that I have. And then my other one is like kind of like purples, but that's what that looks like. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and randomize these. And I always do my eyes first, so I'll be doing one of my eyes as I go. I'll do the other one, and then I'll finish up the face, and I'll let you guys see the finished look. Alright, so the first one is 32, which means it'll be a color from the small palette. So, and it's going to be like this shimmery purple shade. I think that's from my Jaclyn Hill palette, like the original one from with Morphe. Another purpley shimmer color. This one's called Bon Bon and it's from Clionadh Cosmetics. Oh, thank goodness. Alright, we got one matte, and it's this blue, and blues are pretty hard to blend. But this is from Sky, and it's from Igneous Cosmetics, which is one of my fave indie brands ever. Alrighty, I will be right back with my tools, and we will get started on this look. Next one is 19. So far no mattes, but this is another shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I think this one was called like Pool Party or something. 6. Another shimmer. This is I think this is Strawberry Jam from Geek Chic Cosmetics. I pressed this myself. Alright, I was planning on drawing 5. This may be an all shimmer look, we'll see. Hey, I'm back. I've primed and prepped my eyes for these eyeshadows, and I think the first one is pretty obvious. I'm going to go in with the matte blue eyeshadow. I'm taking it on this extra fluffy brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to just put it all over my lid and crease. So we'll just put that on the center and just work it out. Since blue eyeshadow is pretty difficult to blend, I'm going to gradually pick up product and just blend it over the lid little bit by little so I get a good gradient. Igneous has some of like the nicest matte eyeshadows I've ever used. This blue was actually surprisingly nice to blend, and it looks really, really good in person. Like I could just put a wing liner right now and be done because this eyeshadow looks so dimensional on its own. So I'm almost sad that I have to put something on top of it, but I will. I think I'm going to work in a gradient, so I'm going to start with this purple eyeshadow right here. So I'm going to go ahead and break out my NYX glitter primer, and we will stick that all over the lid. Taking it on this tiny detail e.l.f. brush and just placing it on the outer half of my eye. I think that's good. It's blended out the way I wanted it to be. I'm going to go into... I'm trying to figure out whether I want to do a halo right now, so I think I am. I'm going to go back in with that purple eyeshadow, but on the inner portion of the eye. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to go ahead and go in the center with Bon Bon with that same exact brush. Alright, now I want to make a home for that strawberry jam shade. I'm going to use whatever's left of this concealer right here. I'm going to go right in the center. And then sort of blend it out with my finger. Now I'm going to take that rose gold shade and pop it right on top. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do with that teal shade is kind of treat it like an eyeliner. So I'll be right back after I do the rest of my face. I really like how it turned out. Okay, I'm back with the majority of my face done. I just wanted to show you guys the lower lash line area as well as I guess my lip color. So I did lower the tops of my lids with some Inglot liner medium mixer with this eyeshadow right here. And I think it turned out quite nicely. So next I'm going to be taking that blue eyeshadow again, that matte one, and just putting that all over my lower lash line area. This is just going to be a home for the other eyeshadow that I'm going to place on top of it. Okay, and then I'm going to take the teal shade and put it right on a little closer to my lower lash line. Alright, and I'm going to do it to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take this orangey liquid lipstick. So this is basically the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will list all the products that I used on my face below, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.